Yo, ladies and gentlemen, today we got $3,400 in a balance and we are going to open some cases with that balance. And before we start the video, guys, if you do wish on here, get some deposit bonus, come to the refill button and do not forget to Amacol Luxury right here, click apply. Yeah, guys, it's gonna give you a deposit bonus like I said, and you can deposit with this methods: crypto, Visa, MasterCard, UnionPay, Discover, Wallet Card, Pulse, PayPal, Swift, Papara, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Skrill. And guys, if you deposit $50, you will get 55. If you deposit $100, you will get 110. If you deposit $500, you will get 550. And if you deposit $1,000, guys, you get 1,100. And so right now, should I start with crazy mode card? In today's video, I got really good items as I remember, but I go with normal mode, guys. I changed my mind. Wait a second, did I see a new case? No, I don't think so. Alright then, let's start with big guys, 1.7 thousand for the start. Yeah, I'll do that. Both Arnold. Let's see. Okay. Alright. Yeah. Yeah, we're in the lead, but guys, situation is really close right now. I know I don't want to lose this. Alright. AP Desert Hydra. Bro, I'm so lucky. MVP Desert Hydra. I don't know what to say. And let's go with crazy mode, guys. Alright, 2.2 thousand. Whoa, that drop was insane. We're not going right now. No, I pulled caramel door. But we can come back. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. Butterfly enough, Autotronic, and we got 10k in the balance. So let's try normal mode, and I don't know what to add, guys. Let's add 2 times each of these cases. Let's go. Alright. Uh, I want this too. Oh my god, guys, what am I doing? Hello. Charisma time and lowercase 6 times, guys. Yeah, this is us case bit of day, by the way. Yeah. And last case, yeah. So guys, I'm closing record here. Thank you for watching this video and take care. Goodbye, all.